Hey YouTube, back again with another video. We are the CZ Geeks. Today we're doing a special Christmas episode, but before we get started, we want to thank everyone who got us to 12 subscribers. It's not a lot, but we're thankful for every single one. So especially, you know, with the friends and family that we reached out to. And also, big shout out to Mr. Grip Talk himself, Will Young. He was one of the first to really notice us. And we had actually reached out to him to review some of his jewelry. And he went ahead and subscribed, and he believed in us from day one. So big shout out to him and a big thank you. And then with this, we're gonna have a lot of content coming, so please stay tuned. We have 6 products in total, but one of them is still on its way. So we've got 5 here. I bought a few personal jewelry pieces.
I got some as well.
He got 2 of them. Brad is debating on the fence of 1. And then in all the midst of all that content coming out, I'm going to be saving some money aside for another bigger purchase that will also be on the channel. It's a personal purchase, but we'll also review it. So we're going to have tons of content. Please stay tuned. So we're going to give each other all our jewelry gifts, and then we're going to pick one to review for tonight, and we're going to go from there.
Get started. So let's get started.
Yeah.
So here's yours right here. And then what you said.
This one, okay.
This one's
so
right
then,
there.
yeah. So that's yours, and then Brad, that's yours.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Which one should we just open it
I
up?
only got one, so I guess I'll start. Then you guys will.
Yeah, you guys start with that one. You guys will like that. Start with that one.
Yeah. So I'll start with this. I see Marvel.
Oh. Marvel.
Marvel.
I hope I give you guys the right box.
So we have the same box. So here's a quick glance of what that's gonna look like.
You already know
Got
what I got
Marvel on the
so.
side. So
Right here.
Oh,
you
yeah.
did the same time.
I got this one right here, Astro Ice Jewelry.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
It's still the
I thought I was gonna
packaging.
show
guys.
the
It's still the
inside.
packaging.
So there's the card. We'll maybe show that one later. Okay.
Show yours first.
I don't know. I guess so.
Ooh.
Oh, I got the Venom. Well, you got the Black Panther?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so there's what mine looks like. There we go. Quick glance of those.
And here's mine right here. Hopefully he's in frame.
Actually, Cisco predicted that I was just gonna get pendants.
I did. I don't even remember. I don't even remember.
Ooh, you got me a Hamza? Hell
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, dude, I get all the good shit. Look at this. I got the Hamza right there. As the evil, the Ward of the Evil Eye. Yeah, right there. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but it's pretty cool.
This is dope.
I got a little chain with it too.
All right. That's cool. I didn't know they had the red, like the red logo for these.
Yeah, 3 color.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I had to order a second box from Shop Gold.
Really?
Both of them came in one packaging, so I had to
Ah.
order one from the people there.
That's kind of cool
It
though.
wasn't too. It was like $4, so
Not bad.
not too bad.
Just for the box.
Just for the box, and as well as the card itself.
I'm gonna clean up some space.
You want you?
My second one will be in a future video, so that's gonna be a very late Christmas gift.
I already got mine out, and I love the packaging, by the way. That's very, very
Ooh.
simplistic.
Yeah, it's really
But let's open yours first. I don't want to let's do it at the same time here. You use a lot of paper on this thing.
I had to fill the space, man. Otherwise, the box won't close.
You should reuse this paper too, man. Jesus. What
Thank you. That's all it says.
did you get?
Says thank you.
So that one was from. Oh, hold on. Give me a sec.
Ooh.
That one was.
Thank you.
Now I'm spacing it. I already know what it is, but I can't.
It's okay. We'll probably put it up on the little thing there.
Yeah. We'll
for
take
sure.
care of that.
So here we got a tennis bracelet.
Iced Out Origins. That's what it is.
Iced out origins.
That's Iced Out Origins. That is a 3 or 4 millimeter tennis bracelet.
Look at this. That is some good. I
I want
love
to see what
the
you
one.
got. We haven't had anything from Six Eyes yet.
Dude.
Where's he?
Yo. Look at that. Look at that. That's hella ice.
Oh, dude!
Ooh.
Whoa!
I even look at it. I don't know. You know what's funny with all? You know what's funny with all the things that got me so far? I've literally
They're all
looked
the
at
same
them.
realm.
I've looked at them before.
Really?
Like, oh look at this. I like this
That's
one.
funny. Dude.
Hell yeah, I dig this one.
That's
I
awesome.
might need a bigger chain for this though.
Maybe.
But
Maybe.
But yeah, it looks good.
Maybe I can let you borrow my silver Cuban on.
Very Illuminati. Illuminati.
Unless it's supposed to replicate, Metro Boomin's pendant, the Boominati.
Illuminati.
Oh my god. We'll probably put a picture on there or something. Let me see the thing.
Sponsor us.
Let me see the bag. Oh, I see. I like this better than the zippers.
Yeah, it's much more like you can open it easier.
Yeah.
I think that. I think that. There you go. See, I was gonna get Bradley this, the Hamza,
Really?
because he's like, yeah, I've always wanted the evil hit. You know that worth the evil eye.
I'm gonna get one, but I'm gonna keep it a surprise for you guys because you did good on that, dude. Now that puts my Hamza to fucking shame. Shit, dude. Oh.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Oh. Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, both good.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yo, both of them are
Oh.
freaking. This one has like a. All right, guys. So we finally picked the piece that we wanted to review, and this is the Astro Ice jewelry that we decided to go with. So, in the box, so it's first of all, it's a nice little box. It's white, pretty clean, seamless. Opening it up, we have the two pieces that we got here. There we go. We got the Hamza piece right there, and then we also got 24-inch stainless steel rope chain. And we're gonna just quickly assemble this. Anything else come in the box? No. So that's it pretty much in the box. We're gonna assemble it real quick, and let's see how it looks like when wearing it.
Shipping was about less than a week when it had finally arrived. So the shipping was good. There was no issues. I was able to get a tracking number. So all that was
pretty
good.
Let me open. So that's the front of it, but on the side, it also has some inlays in there. That's what it's called, right?
It has stones.
Yeah,
set
stones
in the side.
laid in there. Yeah. It got
go.
in the back. Ooh, okay. So the back is really. I dig that. It's. What do you call it? Hearts.
I don't even know.
It's like some.
I can't see it from here.
I don't know if can you guys see that right there? Let's see.
There
You
you
look closer. You can get closer.
There we go.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a cool like
I
heart,
like
probably like some Arabic design. I'm not sure, guys, but all it matters is that it looks cool. Look at that.
This retails on.
We'll put it back
Astro Ice.
on.
This piece retails on Astro Ice's website for $60.
For $60.
$60.
All right.
So.
All right, let's put this on real quick. Anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like. Loop. There we go.
I don't know.
What do you guys think of that? I'm gonna try moving around. Do you have a flashlight we can use to like maybe? We'll do that later,
we'll
huh?
do it in the shine test,
Okay.
yeah.
There we go. That's what it looks like on the side. All right, we're gonna take it off and try to use the diamond test real quick. All right. There you go, Cisco. Would you like to do the honors?
I will gladly do the honors. Hopefully,
There you go.
Hopefully it works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try and face this here so you guys can see the results. So I'm gonna try and throw it on there. Oh, nope, that's metal. Okay, there we go. Let's try something on the. Nope. God damn it. Okay. So it looks like they're not gonna hit.
They're not gonna hit.
It's only for entertainment purposes only, but
Of course, none of them are gonna hit. This is an affordable jewelry channel, man. None of them are gonna hit. Maybe once in a while, but you know.
not with this cheap ass
Not,
test.
yeah, not with this one. We're gonna go ahead and do the light test. Same deal. RGB, fluorescent, LED, flashlight.
We're gonna do all that good stuff.
Christmas tree light, maybe even. But yeah, we'll get to it. Awesome. All right.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up our Christmas unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you thought about the piece.
From Astro Ice.
Yep,
Right there.
Astro Ice. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go, Astro Ice. Yeah.
There we go.
Alright, let us know what you guys thought. Share it with your friends and family. So, enjoy the bloopers at the end. We always have fun with those. So, comments on the piece. I mean, it was good. There wasn't really anything bad about it. I think the only thing that probably was missing was maybe like a warranty card or anything like that.
It's just a simple box with the pieces itself. So.
Yeah, so if anything happens wrong with it, unfortunately, we can't send that back. So that was probably the only downside of this piece. We usually like to see all those warranty cards to make sure that we can get, I guess, reassurance and make sure that we can also have that warranty and stuff and peace of mind for anything that goes wrong.
I think it looks great. Yeah, it's definitely something I'll be wearing a lot. Yeah, especially the rope chain. I think it just definitely gives it more substance. It complements the actual pendant itself. So
yeah. So that's pretty much it. Again, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Comment down below, and we're gonna have again tons of content coming your guys' way. We've got many more pieces, including finishing up the ones that we just unboxed today for our early Christmas video.
Yeah, so definitely watch out for those.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a lot more content coming. Be ready. So until then, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Peace. I got this for $12, so speaks volumes. All right.
Do you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, I turned it off here. All right.
That's perfect.
Smells good too.
I can wear this when I want to let out my inner villain on occasion.
Like a turd in the wind.
Like a turd in the wind. Yes.
Like a turd in the wind.
I love this.
That's my favorite, dude.
Turd in the wind.
Turd in the wind.
Do it from like here.
Okay, look at this keeping it from gold presidents.
Dang.
Oh, you guys ready? Okay. I want to Metro Boomin's pendant, the Boominati.
Illuminati.